Hey people, how are you doing today? I just want to show you my mother. She just eating now. That's for her dinner. We have fish, fried fish, and mixed vegetable. I used to take up the bones of that fish because that fish is kind of small, so my mother cannot see. So I just uh, take the flesh of the fish and put into her plate so that she can eat well. And she's eating vegetables, squash, the cabbage. I used to suit that mixed vegetables and add some oyster. She used eating her hands, but I'm just asking her if she washed that, and she said yeah, I just washed my hand. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. God bless and take care, people.